Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about a Solana based project which has been launched not long ago, but they are actually making a whole lot of wave guys. So looking over here right now, you can see that Solana just made a new ATH yesterday, and you can see the new all-time high for Solana right now is of course $286, which it made just yesterday. And when you watch closely on the crypto space, you can see that the Solana blockchain is actually making waves, and a lot of money are flowing into the Solana ecosystem. So looking over here right now on the Twitter account of Solana, you can see this is the official Twitter account. You can see the golden tick right here. So this is the app. The app is actually called Zarpay. All right, so Zarpay is actually an app that is fully backed by Solana, and when you check out the Zarpay own Twitter account right here, you can see that they are actually accelerating stablecoin adoption for the next billion users. So right here guys, you can see this is actually backed up fully by Solana. If you check out the people that are actually following them, that I'm following as well, you can see that they are also being followed by Solana itself, and of course the CEO of Noon's app, and a whole lot of other stuff that follows up guys. So right now guys, watch out closely. I'll be teaching you how you can be able to take advantage of this opportunity that is facing you right now, and how you can position very well in order for you to earn a drop from this project, because currently they are running a point campaign whereby you need to actually gather enough points which you can then convert to your airdrop later guys. So there are a lot of things right here. You can go ahead and read it if you want to, but we are going to be focusing on the airdrop because that's our major focus guys. So before we dive fully into the video, please, if you are new to my channel, I beg you in the name of whatever you are praying to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means the whole world to me guys. So, and also on this channel guys, I do try my best to give out tone to our community. So if you are watching a video right now from any part of the world, simply make sure that you actually make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and also like this video you're watching right now, and share it to any social media platform of your choice guys. And finally, you go ahead and put your comments at the comment section, because from the comment section is where we actually pick our winners. All right, so right now guys, let's go back into the business of the day. So the first step that you actually need to take in order for you to start earning from this Zarpay is to simply go ahead and open your Play Store like this. Okay, this is your Play Store right here. You make sure that you download and install Zarpay guys. So you go ahead and click on install. Actually the app hasn't fully launched yet. They are still on their preparation period, but this is the best time for you to actually take advantage of this opportunity. If you're not taking advantage of this opportunity right now, then you may not be able to earn so massive later guys. So, and one other thing that you actually need to have before you can join this airdrop completely is you need to have WhatsApp, because by the use of WhatsApp, or by the help of your WhatsApp, is what you can then use and create your own account. Okay, so it's very simple guys. Let's just allow the app to download completely, then we go to the next step. So this is how the app is going to look like. It does not support a landscape view, so this is how it actually looks like. Then you go ahead and click on continue, and of course you can, a lot of things actually come with this. For example, you can use it to save and spend on digital dollar, and you can also use it for shopping with virtual card, and you can also pay with friends digital dollar, something like that. So you go ahead and click on continue right now. So the first thing that you actually need to do is to simply click right here to select your country that you are into, or the number you are using for your WhatsApp. Okay, obviously I'm in Nigeria right now, and this is it right here. And of course, let me simply input my WhatsApp number right here. Then I will go ahead and click on verify my account. Right now you can see that a code had been sent to me, so I'll go ahead and copy the code like this. Once you copy the code, then you come right here, you paste the code immediately, and your account is going to be created immediately guys. So this is how simple it is, and you can see verification successful. So right now guys, you go ahead and continue right now, and of course right here you need to create your pin. I will create my pin 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this. Then I will recreate it again for confirmation. I will now create it like this, and you can also enable the fingerprint over here, and also you can activate notification. This is how you simply create your own Zarpay account. And you can see right here guys, you are going to get this message right here that you are now on their wait list. So just like I said earlier, they are still on their wait list phase, and right now this is the best time for you to actually position very well, because later people that actually join the wait list are going to be getting a special offer. Okay, just like we do for LA adopters guys. So right now you can see Zai is in high demand, and you are now in line. Want to skip ahead? Invite friends to jump the queue and unlock reward, guys. So right now we click on continue right now, and you can see this is how simply the interface looks like. And right now you cannot do much thing right here, and you can of course go ahead and do a lot of things right here by just coming below the video, below this section right here. You can see by you claim your username, you get 50 points. You sync your contacts, you get 50 points. You follow on Twitter and follow on Facebook and also follow on Instagram, you get 50 points each. So right now I'm going to be doing it all real quick, but before that, let's go ahead and claim my username first. So when I click over here, guys, on claim username, then I have to input my username something like this. Okay, so remember to of course choose a good username, because later in the future they could decide to sell username just like Telegram is now selling username. All right, and remember your username is personal to only you, nobody else has it. So I will click on save right now, and this is going to be my username right now. And of course, congratulations, I've got it. If you input a name that another person is already answering, it is not going to work. All right, so right now, guys, I will go ahead and sync my contact to receive 50 points right now. Way too easy. So right now I will go ahead and complete these remaining 3 tasks real quick. Okay, and right now, guys, you can see that I've completed all these tasks right now, and the next thing that you actually need to do is to simply look right here to see the point that you have earned so far. You can also go ahead and find your way to how you can be able to claim this gold meta debit card and earn 100k points as well. I mean 10k points as well. And for you to be able to get it, you simply need to invite 100 friends. If you invite 100 friends, then automatically you are going to be entitled to get the gold meta debit card and of course 10,000 points as well. So simply use my link on the video description to actually register with mine, and also share your link on our social media handle to get more followers from us as well. So when you look over here right now, you can see you have invite friends or to skip the line. So when you click on invite friends, then you are going to be section whereby you can of course copy your referral link from here and share it with your family and friends in order to position very well for this Zarpay airdrop that is coming, guys. So do not miss out on this. This could be your golden ticket to a lot of things in the future. Do not play with it. Take your chances right now, and of course do the needful right now that you still have time. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this update on the comment section, and do not forget to join our community in order to earn even more opportunities like this one. Thank you, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.